of Uttar Pradesh, Varanasi, Lucknow and Amritsar and across all over India. Today I decided to share my little bit knowledge of watercolor. So today I will give you a demonstration of that tree on the spot live demo. And every day if you want to learn my tutorials, every day you can watch my tutorial 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. morning and evening 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. So let's go to start, and that I will draw that tree. And if you want to have some give comments, so comment in my comment box and ask if anybody has your doubts. Okay, just start. Look at this. This is the board, and this is the handmade paper, and this is the wash brush. This is the brush, and at first I will give a wash technique of this. This is the color ultramarine blue, and now I will give a wash technique of this paper. At first I will wet this paper, then after I will give draw the sky, and now this is the color. It will flow and enjoy watercolor. This is the technique, and more water. Just look at this. Upper side will be dark, and wait to dry this layer. In watercolor, every day we should to draw in different layers. This is the first layer, and we have to wait for this layer, and it will be wet, and this will be, and I will give it. This is a different brush, and now just I will at first give some colors. Lemon yellow. This is the lemon yellow color, and this is the lemon yellow color. I will give just flow of lemon yellow color, and just like this. And now some trees there. These are the colors. Just watch. Wait to dry. After dry, we will give the different layer on this upper the color. So look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the tree. Four tree, that is colors, green color, sap green, and gray trunk. And so today just basic simple watercolor demonstration. After some days I will give you advanced. After some days I will give you some advanced knowledge of watercolor. So I think it is wait to dry. And now come here, sir. This is the sap green. This is the sap green color. I will give sap green color. This is the sap green color, and I have no dryer, so I have to wait for dry. Look at this. This is the sap green color, and atmosphere weather is so hot, and these paper are also. Look at this. This is the flow, and we should to dry. Very it is. And then after I will some branches this side below this colors, this big size brush. Always use this big size brush to wash. And then after I will give yellow ochre color to the land. This is the land, so yellow ochre color, and this is yellow ochre. After yellow ochre I will give burnt sienna. This is the burnt sienna color. From my next demonstration I will give you a color demonstration, color combinations of colors demo. This is the burnt sienna, and we have to wait. This is the brush, and we should to wait. This is a little bit wet, so this is the brush. I will use this dry brush and more hard brush color. This is the tree. Look at this. Especially I will use burnt sienna, and this is the burnt sienna, and this is the tree, and look at this. This is the tree. I have given this tree a stroke. And next, this is the color. That is the tree, and this is the layer. Enjoy with colors. Always happy. Don't be sad to what is this, what is. Always happy. Enjoy with colors. One day you will be a great watercolor artist if you will enjoy every day of your colors. So this is the land, and now just this is the some grasses. So use big size brush, and now I will give some shade. Always use shade in cool colors, blue, Persian blue, ultramarine blue. This is I have not dryer, so you have to some wait to dry this layer. So wait, look at this location every day. That look at there. That are some houses, some birds. If you want to draw birds, you can draw birds, animals, trees, houses, everything you want to draw. Every day you should draw that trees, animals, houses. If you want to artist, just every day you have to draw everything. So look at this. I am waiting for to dry this paper little bit. I will use this size brush. After to finishing this size brush, you have to give finishing point, outlines, finishings. You can use this brush, and so it is not dry. So I am waiting for to dry this paper. So let's start. This is the ultramarine blue, and look at this, some strokes. Look at the tree, some dark spots. Draw with confidence and always be happy. And some dry leaves, so I will use yellow ochre and burnt sienna. This is the burnt sienna color and yellow ochre, and now these some leaves are dry, so these are the tree, and this is the tree. And now just I will give the second layer at the back date area. Okay, now this is the second layer, and use some little bit dark to shadow. And wait to dry. And this is the small brush, a small 0 size brush, so I will use burnt sienna and yellow ochre and sap. This is Payne's grey color, and I will use to give this for one stroke confidence, just like this type of confidence lines. Use always dry colors to give details. is no dryer, so this is very difficult to draw because this is not I want to my wait to dry. This is some dark colors to give more details. And now here I will give details of the grasses. I am only drawing 3 trees. That is 4 trees, but I am giving you a basic demonstration. So I am not going to detailing. So just and now just a little bit finishing of this some brown color. This is the brown color burnt sienna, and now some little bit flow the color, and now this is going to dry. From tomorrow I will bring my dryer to dry the layers fastly. So today is getting problem, but wait to the finishing. Okay, now I will give more dark to this shade like this. These are the brushes, and wait to dry for finishing. So to dry these colors, I am giving you some colors information. Look at this. Look at this. This is the color plate. These are cool colors. This is Persian blue, green, sap green, this one. This is green, and these are the cool colors. We will use cool colors to cool weather and tree, plants, everything. And these are the colors, warm colors. Look at this. This is the orange color. This is the red color, and this one another red. I will give you next demonstration. I will the details of these colors. And this is a yellow color. This is burnt sienna. This is gomboz yellow. This is lemon yellow. And now this is the color plate. At first we will put color from here, then wash, mix here, and now we will give the paper colors. Okay, so this is the color plate, and my brushes. Look at this. This is the brush plate for watercolor to give vast details. These are the brushes. These are the brushes, and for wash, for to use this brush to wash, and you can use this brush also. And then next detailing, you can use these brushes to give details of the and finishing point, give details to these brush. This is very good, I like it. And these are the different ones. These are the brushes for oil paint, acrylic color. These are used in canvas, board, everything. So I think this is not dry. Oh, these are the papers. And now these are the colors. This is the artist watercolor, and these are the artist watercolors, my colors. And look at this, these are the papers. This is handmade paper, and I have some works. This is the my junior work, past work. These are and now this is the Chitrapat paper, and this is 3GSM watercolor Masteria classical paper. This is very not good, but basic, very good. So let's come to the painting. This is dry almost, so I'm very happy to give details. I will use dark color to give details. Look at this. These are the detailing to the inner part. Look at this finishing colors, and this is the and another. This is the tree. And now always burn sienna to look at this. This is the okay. Now this is the I will give a finishing of the tree. These are the tree, and now these are some dry. And if back side, from perspective of colors, use this color to distance color, for colors distance. These are the colors, and this is Persian blue, and I will give not more dark, lightly use, because every time whenever you travel in train journey, bus journey, watch the location, backsided, more distance, tree, plants, everything will look like very lightly, not dark. So always use light color. This is problem, because I should to give the details begin. Now this is these are the tree, and I think this is the basic demonstration to tree is finished. I am giving the finishing of this, not more, take time. These are the tree, and this is the look at this some shadow of dark colors. So let's I hope all of you enjoy my demonstration. So I am giving the some so this is the demo, and today's demo. From next day I will give another demo. So to watch my demo, I remember you that morning 6 a.m. to 8 a.m. and evening 4 p.m. to 6 p.m. So students, if anybody have some doubts and questions, comment in my comment box. I will give you the answer of comments. So this is complete. This is the problem, because this is not dry. So let's tree is ready. These are my strokes. So just how is it? Comment for this my first tutorial, and next time I will give you another demo. So I hope all of you enjoy my demonstration. Look at this tree, and I have decided every day I will give you demonstration of watercolor. So let's I will collect my materials and go for home. So enjoy your days, and comment in my if anybody have questions, and comment in my comment box. Let's bye.
Yeah, okay.
Hi.